close to the end here. We've got 25. This is a word type problem, but it's really very similar to the last one we just did with 24. Of course, maybe you didn't look at 24. So anyway, I just did it. According to the weather service, there's a 75% chance of rain in New York City, a 30% chance of rain in Honolulu. There's also a 10% chance that it will rain in both cities. And so we're asked to first complete a Venn diagram. So, again, it's not the only way to solve it, but in this case, it's sort of natural. And usually where you want to start is you want to start in the place of overlap, both cities. That's 10%. I'll put that right here in the middle. Then as I need to label my circles, we'll make this New York. Could just make it in, I guess, but I like New York, and this could be Honolulu, or the other way around. It's up to you what choice, but you need to label it so that I know what you're looking at. If you've just got numbers there, it's not 100% accurate, right? New York has a 75% chance of rain, but we've already counted 10% of it, so doesn't it make sense that this would be 65? 65 plus 10 is 75%, which is the complete circle of New York City. And I'll do that in red, so we have kind of two different circles. So this circle of New York City contains a 75% chance. Honolulu only has a 30% chance. We've already counted for 10%. Let's go with green. Honolulu's more green. 30 is the total, so 30 minus 10 is 20% over here. So 20 plus 10 is the 30, and that would give us Honolulu. And if we wanted to, we could see the 65, that's 75, 85, 95 is here. So that means there's a 5% chance that it doesn't rain in either of the cities, because this is our sample space, right? We have to make sure we have 100% total. We can kind of go through that. So I'm just add all these. I got the 95 plus 5 more gives me 100%. Okay. Right? All the regions have to add up to 100%. So I can now answer some questions. What is the probability it will rain in neither of the two cities? It's not going to rain in either of them. That's right here, right? We're outside of both circles. That's only 5% there. You can answer that very clearly. What is the probability it will rain in exactly one of the two cities? Just one of them. Well, there's a 65% chance it only rains in New York and a 20% chance it only rains in Honolulu. That's what these numbers represent. Only New York, only Honolulu. Not in both, not in neither, just in one or the other. And so would it make sense, hopefully it does, that we would add those two percentages together, right? Because they're sort of exclusive. So that's the addition principle. And so that'll get us an 85% chance it will rain in one of the cities, but not in both of them, and not in neither of them either. So that's our thing. Let's see, we can see 65.1. Notice they've got just N and H, but you do have to label the circles somehow. Here's our 0.5. They use decimals. I like percentages, whatever you want to do, but we've pretty much got that. And then 5% for B, no rain, and an 85% chance that it rains in one of the cities, but not both of them. It rains exactly in one of them. So there's 25.